With me I've got the DeWalt DWS 774. This is the most compact sliding miter saw in the DeWalt range. It's got power, portability, accuracy and also the XPS shadow marking system. First thing I like about it is the powerful 1400 watt motor. That can spin this 216mm blade up to 4600 RPM. That's enough speed and power to give you accurate cuts. The next thing that stands out for me on this miter saw is its portability. At 11.5 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to carry around the job site. But it also has a very compact rail design. So not only can you get a maximum crosscut of up to 250 millimeters, but it also locks and closes in a very compact way, easy to transport and move around. At a 45-degree miter angle, this saw will cut up to lengths of 170 millimeters and thicknesses up to 60 millimeters. At a 45-degree bevel, you can cut up to 250 mm crosscut and 48 mm thick. The DWS 774 also includes DeWalt's XPS shadow marking system. The XPS system shines an LED light over the blade to create a laser-like line on your workpiece. The main advantage is, unlike a laser line, it can never go out of calibration if the machine is bumped or moved around. As you can see, the bright LED shines a clear line on your workpiece. When it comes to accuracy, DeWalt hasn't compromised with this model. Like most miter saws from DeWalt, it's got a machined base and a machined fence, which ensures that over time all your cuts remain accurate and true. A new design feature that DeWalt has added to most of their miter saw ranges are these sturdy carrying handles which can be attached to the side of the base. They are optional, so you can either use it with or without the base, but if you're transporting the machine, they're perfect. I think this miter saw is going to be ideal for all tradesmen that are working on the job site. Shop fitters, deck installers, anyone that needs something that's portable and powerful. Definitely the DWS 774 is going to be one to choose. If you want to see a more detailed video on the full unboxing that I did, also taking you through how to assemble the handles, how to assemble the mounting clamp, be sure to check out the full video on our YouTube channel under the unboxing section.